traffic lights, count my breath. No reason left to explain, just shoes, a bag, and a map. City talks in low BPM, my steps fit in the groove. Not chasing any skyline, just letting the road move. No drama, no farewell lines, no looking back in the glass. The engine hums in my chest, that's all the answer I have. I'm on my way, not to run, not to stay, not to hide. I don't need a perfect plan, I just need a line to ride. I'm on my way, nothing loud. Shifting while I try to stay in place. Every color slowly losing shape and grace. The room is breathing in a quiet, restless way. And every promise sounds too fragile to be safe. I walk forward, but the distance feels unclear. Every echo tells me something's drawing near. From the past, or if I'm standing still and letting moments pass. Nothing here is stable. I reach for lines that I can finally hold, but even truth is starting to grow old. The ground is moving underneath my sound, and I don't know where I am found. You feel the change. This is not the way it seems to be. I'm awake inside a dream that isn't free. Every step is slowly turning strange, and nothing here is ever the same. I'm searching for a place that feels like mine, but even solid ground won't draw a line in this moment. All I hope to find is a little peace of mind. The world won't wait. Every screen is shining with a borrowed light. Every message hides another kind of night. Information fills the air I breathe, but nothing here is simple to believe. I hear the city talking in my head. Every word is something left unsaid. I'm not afraid, but I'm not sure if I still know what I'm waiting for. Too much noise. I keep moving, though I can't explain why every choice feels heavy with the chain. I don't escape, I only try to see what this world is doing to me. The future's close. This is not the way it seems to be. I'm awake inside a dream that isn't free. Every feeling sure every answer needs a cure. Every system's out of time. Every future's out of line. I keep walking through the sound with no safe place to be found. But I believe, though I can't see, this motion is what's left of me. Keep moving, keep moving, keep moving. I breathe in slow, I'm thinking fast. Every moment's turning past. I don't know what is right or wrong, but the rhythm pulls me on. The floor is shifting under me, but I choose to stay and see what remains when all is gone. But the motion and the song, this is enough. This is not the way it seems to be. I'm awake inside a dream that isn't free. Every step is slowly turning strange, and nothing here is ever the same. I'm reaching for a truth I can't define, while every second crosses another line. In this moment, all I hope to find is a little peace of mind. The world moves on. Is a little peace of mind. The world moves on. Is a little peace of mind. The world moves on. Is a little peace of mind. The world moves on. When the walls begin to slide away, I keep walking, I won't stay in a world that won't stand still. I'm just learning how to feel. You learn by moving. We're finally here. The motion slows down. The noise of the road is fading now. Every long mile is behind my eyes, and the light feels warmer when I arrive.
Yeah, slow it down.
Keys on the table, dust on my shoes. The quiet of the room tells me I move. The map in my pocket is full